So peeps, I'm going to quickly wash my hair because I'm gonna go to the salon to wash, treat, trim, and cornrow it back. This is a disaster. I don't even know what to say. I feel embarrassed. So I'm currently trying to get ready. And our lady's calling me and she's like, how long am I going to take? I'm like, guys, 15 minutes. Just give me some time. Just give me some time. So, let's go. If these people just move up their car, I'll be there. I'm coming. Here I am in some Grand Theft Auto right now. I never thought they would have taken me up on the, oh, I'm coming right now to do my hair. I never knew they would take me up on it, like, and say yes, come. Good grief. Alright, catch you guys soon. I have my wig. The only thing is that I don't have a sweater. Ain't nobody got time to be putting it on and doing the glue and the lay and the melt and the whatever else that people do with waist wigs. But yeah, your girl will pop this on real quick. I did my hair like this because I want to be able to apply a lot of moisture to it. So I like to oil the scalp and ensure that, you know, it is getting its tender loving care for the next week. And it's so easy breezy. Like, what was life without wigs? Jesus. I put up the visor just so I could like fix it. So now I don't know. Like the guy that is in the car in front of me is like, wait, what? Oh jeez. I'm gonna be signing off right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the morning routine with me again. It looks like there's just a morning routine that is never the same. There's always something different every single time. I'm so happy that you guys enjoy it and come along and keep watching every single time I post a morning routine. And I appreciate you guys so much. I'm gonna sign off right now. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I am manifesting all the great things for you guys. So anyhow, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned until next week. I bid you bye.